धूम्रपान एक ऐसी आदत जो हमारे जीवन को नष्ट कर सकती है। यह एक ऐसी चीज है जो हर साल लाखों लोगों की जान ले लेती है। जब आप धूम्रपान करते हैं तो आप अपने शरीर को कई खतरनाक रसायनों के संपर्क में लाते हैं। इन रसायनों में से कई कैंसरजनक होते हैं। धूम्रपान से हृदय रोग, फेफड़ों का कैंसर और स्ट्रोक जैसी गंभीर बीमारियों का खतरा बढ़ जाता है। यह आपके स्वास्थ्य के लिए बेहद हानिकारक है। Smoking is a leading cause of cancer. It's not just lung cancer, but it also increases the risk of cancers in the mouth, throat, esophagus, pancreas, and more. The chemicals in tobacco smoke can damage DNA and cause cells to grow uncontrollably. Quitting smoking can significantly reduce these risks, but the sooner you quit, the better. Smoking doesn't just affect the smoker. Secondhand smoke can harm those around you, including family and friends. Children exposed to secondhand smoke are at higher risk for sudden infant death syndrome, respiratory infections, and ear problems. It's important to remember that your smoking habits can impact the health and well-being of your loved ones. Deciding to quit smoking is a powerful step towards a healthier life. It's not easy, but there are many resources available to help you. From support groups to nicotine replacement therapies, there are options to suit everyone's needs. Remember, every step you take towards quitting is a step towards better health and a brighter future. In conclusion, smoking poses serious health risks, not only to the smoker, but also to those around them. However, it's never too late to quit. Seek support from healthcare providers, friends, and family. Utilize available resources and take that crucial step towards a healthier, smoke-free life. You have the power to make a positive change.